Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Infiniti QX56. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Infiniti has less than 59,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.